Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to share 3 popular Korean street food. Aren't you guys curious? Please watch it until the end. Here we go, let's get cooking. First up, we are going to make Korean spicy sticky rice. We need 100 grams of konbu or dried kelp. Clean the konbu with damp or paper towel. Then soak konbu in 1.5 liters of water for 1 hour or overnight. 20 grams of dried anchovies. Clean and remove the head of the anchovies. After that, put the anchovies into the filter cloth. Then put the anchovies into the konbu water and boil it for 10 minutes on medium heat. After 10 minutes, take out the konbu. And let it boil for 10 minutes more on low heat. Filter the boiled water to get it clearer. And set it aside for a moment. Now, prepare 1 clove of garlic. Half of onion. 1 piece of leeks. $150 grams of fish cake. Soak 300 grams of Tteok or rice cake in a warm water for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, heat the cooking oil and saute the garlic and onion. Pour 400 milliliters of konbu water or broth. Add 3 tablespoons of gochujang or Korean red pepper paste. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Add the fish cakes and add the rice cakes. Cook them for 5 minutes or until it gets properly cooked. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and sliced leeks. Stir it well. Last, sprinkle some sesame seeds on it. And your TTEOKBOKKI or spicy sticky rice is done. Next up is YACHAE JEON or Korean vegetable pancake. We need 1 tablespoon soy sauce, water, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, sesame oil. Sesame seeds as needed and mix it well. Set aside. Now, thinly slice 1 carrot and half cabbage. 1 small yellow sweet potato, 2 spring onion, 1 cucumber, 3 Champignon mushrooms, and seaweed. Then, we are making the batter. We need 1½ glass of multi-purpose flour, cornstarch and baking powder, 1½ teaspoon salt, pepper, mushroom stock, and teaspoon ground turmeric, 1½ glass water, and mix it well. Then mix the batter and veggies. Scoop the batter in a hot cooking oil. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes on medium or medium to high heat. Carefully flip the pancake and cook the other side until golden brown and crisp. Slice your pancake to the small square bite-sized pieces. And your Korean vegetable pancake is done. It's good to dip it into the sauce. Last is we are making Korean street toast. In this recipe we need half of carrot, 200 to 300 grams of cabbage, half of small onion, 1 scallion / chives. Cut all of them 4 to 5 centimeters long. Then add 1 egg. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix it well. Now heat the butter on a pan. Fry the vegetable mixture and form the size of sliced bread. Cook until golden brown. Set aside. Heat the butter on a pan. Toast each side of the bread. Sprinkle some sugar on the bread. Put the vegetable omelet on the bread. Top with mayonnaise, tomato sauce, and grated cheese. Cover with another toasted bread. Wrap the toast with food paper. Now we make another type of toast. We are making kimchi cheese toast. We need 1 cup of kimchi. Cut the kimchi into small pieces. Put the kimchi in the hot pan and give it a little sweetener. Cook until the water dries up. Remove and set aside. Spread the bread with butter. In a hot pan, put a layer of bread. Add mozzarella cheese. Add chopped kimchi. Add mozzarella cheese on top. Toast it until golden brown. Wrap the toast with food paper. Ready to serve. Quite appetizing, isn't it? What should we cook next time? Please comment it below and see you on the next video. Thank you.